Mr. Paolo Avellino!
Ano pa pala sa taas? Alam niyo ba yung kanta? Laging nasasaktan pag may kasama kang iba. Isang patakbakan naman muna dyan. Di ba nila alam na ako'y sa'yo at ika'y aking lamang. Gusto niyo ba ako bumaba dyan? Gusto niyo ba ako magpa-picture sa inyo? Maghihintay ako kahit kailan. Bakit? Dahil na umabot ako'y nasa langit na. Sino dito ang nanonood ng Lila? Sakit sa ulo ni Juliana. Ng What's Wrong with Secretary Kid? Ng Elevator. Pinanood na rin. Showing na po ang Elevator sa mga sinihan. Sana po manoorin din. Ang nakalimutan sulat. Hindi umabot. Hindi umabot.
Magano na?
Na ako'y sa'yo.
Magano na eh.
Ika'y aking naman. Pasensya na po, hindi ko ako process. Kulang sa warm-up. Bawi na lang ako sa next. But thank you everyone for coming out. Masaya ako at na-imbitahan ako para kumanta. Makita kayong lahat para sa pick-up. I'm very happy and very proud of Proudly Pinoy Tech Company. Everyone here should be proud of Pick-up as well. Anyway, let's go straight to our next song so I can go around. If maaari ako makapag-picture sa inyo kung ayos na. Ayos lang ba? Music. Yung mga nag-guest nasa taas eh. Paano ako? You're the one that through my life, down to my soul, you touch my lips. Oh, love is like the sun. Set my whole world, I feel one. Nothing through my life, I feel complete. The flowers bloom, the morning shines, and I can see. Naibig ko naman. But again, meron po akong pelikulang pinapalabas na kayo na ang title po ng pelikulang yan ay Elevator. Kasama ko po dyan si Miss Kylie Versosa and Chai Franchier. Directed by Philip King under Rain Entertainment and Viva Entertainment. Sana po kung magka-oras kayong pumunta sa mga sinihan or magka-oras or bukas, holiday. Ayan, hindi ko magpalamig sa napakainit ng Maynila. Pwede po kayo manood ng Elevator Now Show. And for my last song, love song ulit. Love song ulit guys. Sana mo gusto na yun. Music last. Pag-ibig sa first time kong pumunta dito sa Mega Mall, masaya naman yung experience. Sana maulit-ulit. Sa pick-up ulit. Thank you, thank you. Thank you everyone.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the one and only Paolo Avellino! film producer na nga, actor pa, musician pa, and you know what? Hindi lang yun. Pinakilig mo kaming lahat. Tama ba? Pick up citizens! My goodness. Sir Paolo, before you do bid adieu to everybody, what would you like to say to our Pick Up citizens?
Well, of course, for our Pick Up citizens, I'm very excited that there's another, I don't know if you call it a ride-hailing app. So I'm very excited there's another one. There's more options for us Filipinos, and this is proudly Filipino. So para sa akin yun yung biggest selling point, and I would always support anything proudly made here, anything that supports our country and our fellow, and anything that makes it convenient for my fellow Filipinos.
Nako, iba talagang kilig na dinadala mo dito. Not only that, makabayan ka pa, and I love that. One more time, ladies and gentlemen, your one and only Paolo Avellino. Now, Paolo, if it's not too much to ask, could our CEO and CFO have a quick photo op with you? Of course, once again, sir name, Miss Aramina. CEO and CFO for the meantime. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to use our official hashtags. That's hashtag #PeakUp. And also hashtag we'll get you there, because we do promise that 5-star service. That's and of course, if it's not too much to ask, could we kindly ask our fellow celebrity friends to come on stage and join our grand photo op. A Filipino brand catering to Filipinos and perhaps very soon internationally. But the best part is, marami pong trabaho ang mabibigay din po ng Pick Up para sa ating audience here for today. At maraming trabaho ang maibibigay sa mga Pilipino. At di lang yun, we won't have to worry about surges no longer, because we will make sure that the rates are affordable for everybody. Yan po ang promise po namin sa inyong lahat. Of course, don't forget to like Pick Up social media pages. We have Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and we're also on X. Now, don't be shy to get in the loop for updates. Malay nyo, baka may papremyo kami very, very soon. Huwag po kayo mag-alinlangan. Mag-visit na rin po kayo dito. Kung again, interesado po kayo mag-apply para maging driver po ng ating Pick Up, by all means, bumisita lamang po kayo dito sa aming event proper. Maraming salamat kay Sir Paolo Avellino. And what a truly eventful day it has